Hi, I'm Pete, lead designer here at Autoshop Solutions. We're an automotive marketing agency that specializes in websites and digital marketing solutions. Today, we're here to discuss the importance of brand cohesiveness and why it matters to your shop. Think about a large, successful company and how they represent themselves. Undoubtedly, they're focused on the positive promotion of their brand and image. Why? Because it matters, and it's important that you are easily recognizable and associated with the things you're passionate about. I always recommend that you model your business on companies that are bigger and better than you. So what is brand cohesiveness? Brand cohesiveness gives people consistent recognition. That way, no matter where or how they see your business presented, it's on point. They recognize you wherever you are, whether you're on a website, in person, an ad, or social media. How do you create brand cohesion for your business? And what role does it play? It starts with an eye-catching logo that truly represents your brand and company. Choose a color scheme that pairs with the company's personality. Pick a font that's in line with the tone and voice of the shop, and use imagery that complements the whole process to reinforce the shop's image. All of these things play an important part in helping make a successful brand, and the consistency adds a layer of trust to your audience. That feeling a brand creates is both part of bringing in new customers and maintaining returning customers and sales. The benefits: brand cohesion sets the tone for your business, engages your customers, and shows professionalism. It represents the shop's personality and promise as a service provider to put you ahead of your competitors. Thanks for watching. Want to learn more or have questions you would like us to feature in an upcoming Autoshop Academy video? Please submit your ideas through the link below or email our team. For more Autoshop Academy videos, please visit our website and subscribe to our YouTube channel.